In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links in Wix. Now, affiliate marketing is a great way to generate some extra revenue from your website. Integrating these links into your Wix website can seem a bit daunting at first, but by the end of this guide, you'll see just how simple it can be. First, you'll need to obtain your affiliate link from your affiliate program. This is a crucial step as your link needs to be properly formatted with your unique affiliate ID. This ID is what allows the program to track any purchases or visits that come from your website, ultimately ensuring that you get credited for referrals. Once you have your link ready and copied to your clipboard, you're ready to move over to the Wix platform. In Wix Editor or Wix Studio Editor, linking your affiliate content is a straightforward process, especially when you want to use buttons as your call-to-action elements. Buttons are effective because they are prominently placed and naturally draw visitor attention. Begin by either inserting a new button on your page or selecting an existing one. You can find the option to insert a button in the Add panel on your Wix dashboard. After you've positioned your button on your page to match your desired layout, it's time to link it to your affiliate URL. Click on the button you want to use and look for the little link icon in the toolbar that appears, usually on the right side of the panel. It looks like two interconnected links, or sometimes just text that says link. Selecting this icon will prompt you with several linking options, but to link out to your affiliate content, you'll want to choose Web address. Paste your previously copied affiliate link into the URL field that appears. Here's an important tip. Pay attention to the box that gives you the option of opening the link in the same tab or a new tab. Generally, it's a good practice to select Open in a new tab. This way, your visitors won't lose the page they originally came from and can easily navigate back to your website after exploring your affiliate link. Once the link is pasted and you've set your opening preference, make sure to save the changes. It's always a good idea to thoroughly test your link to ensure everything directs correctly, so go ahead and preview your site. Click the button and see if it takes you to the intended affiliate URL. If everything works correctly, you're all set. Remember, keeping your website user-friendly while effectively integrating affiliate links can greatly contribute to your site's professional feel and performance. I hope this guide has simplified the process for you. Thanks for watching, and happy affiliate marketing!